frame mase ungitholele i-handkerchief that is white in color. Handkerchief that is white in color. Awuzuthi uma ufika le eThekwini ubuza ukuthi izibuko ungazithola lapha eThekwini, mina angiyona i-referral system yakho. Wena uma uza kubabudokotela uza nezinto zonke usuyihlelele. Thereafter uphatha ke imali engango 15,000. Uzonikezwa isithwalo sento ekuthiwa isithwalo sedlozi. Kulesibuko lesi kune-office phakathi. Lesibuko lesi nalendwangu emhlophe kuyahambisana. All the time keep this mirror covered with this indwangu emhlophe. Never leave it exposed, it's going to be weak. Lana usukuthwele kodwa uthwele ngedlozi lakho. Elakhe idlozi usuke lihleli la likwenzela yonke wena into othi uyayifuna. Kunento ke engifuna ukuthi sike sikhulume abantu bakithi. Akuzo zonke izinto mesizintroduce nawe zikulungela. Yes, unayo imali, yes unga-afforda, but kunezinto mesizakha ezinobufakazi. Kunezinto mesizakha ezinobufakazi. Lento ke engiyiphethe lana ke sinikezela umuntu umethi ufuna ukuthatha isikhulu lesikhulu, ufuna ukuba yi-acting judge, acting minister kwicabinet, but umuntu ofuna ukudeputizer i-bishop esontweni. Abantu abafuna isikhundla esikhulu emakhosini bafuna ukuthi inkosi bathembe ngomsebenzi wawo kandaba ezitha. Lento ke lena ke engifuna ukuyiveza kancane lana, those people who are in the army, as long if they want to attain serious jobs, serious rankings, bahambe bosebenza kuma embassy ase South Africa ngaphandle, babe a military entourage in foreign countries. Labo bantu ke sibenza kunento ke esiyiphethe la ke eyenziwa labo bantu kuphela. Labo bantu kuphela. Lento uma siyenza kumuntu othi babudokotela, I have swallowed my pride, I need to go to work overseas for this company. This company, it has value empilweni yami. Thereafter ke ngo-12 ebusuku siyahamba ke. I repeat, 12 ebusuku siyahamba. You bring yourself a braid that is red in color. You bring yourself 7 rand coins, which coins 1 rand coins. Ake sichaze lo 5 rand, u5 rand akuyona imali emhlophe. It's no longer imali emhlophe because kunendawana engekho emhlophe lapha. Asawemukeli thina esebenza ngalendlela le. U5 rand ke lo ama coins asawemukeli. Lapho ke sisuke sikhanda ke umuntu othi ufuna ukuthatha high position.